Hi, my name's Tommy. I'm 42 years old and I just started playing Dungeons and Dragons and building terrain for it. Yeah, I know, I'm a nerd, but I'm proud of it, so it's all okay. Um, I have been so inspired by so many truly amazing videos out there. So I'd like to thank Wylock, Blackmagic Craft, DM Scotty for inspiration. You guys are really amazing. And this video is just me trying to build one of Blackmagic Craft's models, just a small bookshelf. I'm quite happy with the end result, so I just wanted you to see. And if you wonder why is this guy filming in portrait mode, I know I made a mistake in the video actually. I filmed the video also in portrait mode, so it's because I'm an amateur. So anyway, so this is me trying to make a bookshelf for my Dungeons and Dragons game. I'm using 6mm Depron. You can use foam board or XPS foam if you want. Using a small pencil to carve out a pattern that will look like wood grain. Everything here is actually inspired or got directly from Blackmagic Craft's site. You should really go check out his channel, it's really amazing. Doing the pattern on all the sides. Here I've cut out what will make up the shelves, 1/2 inch wide. Doing the same pattern there on all the sides. And I'm using a nail file just to soften the edges and make it look a bit more realistic. So I will glue them on, all three of them, using white glue. This is a brand I got from a local store. Gluing on all three of them. And for the side pieces, I just eyeball the length, doing the same pattern there also, of course. And you see on the edge there, I'm doing slightly a different pattern just to make it look a bit more realistic. What would look like if you cut it. And I'm carving out a triangle there just to have legs for the shelf. So, looks good. And here this is a mix of white glue, water, black paint, and just a drop of dish soap. I'm using that for my base coat, covering the piece with it. And here I'm mixing the color I want. I want like a chocolate brown, so I'm just mixing until I get the color I want. And painting the piece. And the pattern, the grains on the wood will really come out after the next coat. We'll do some highlights, but here I'm just covering it with this brown. And yeah. And here I'm mixing like an orange, a lighter color, so and dry brushing it on, so it will be a bit lighter on the edges and the pattern will really show. And finally I'm mixing even a lighter color, just a yellowish light brown, dry brushing it on to to make the grain even come out even more. I'm quite satisfied with the end result. It looks good. Looks like a bookshelf, and it'll work in my game, I think. I'm using the pencil just to kind of imagining where the nail holes would go. So finally, I'm dabbing on a black wash, just water and black paint and a drop of dish soap actually. So you really see that the wood grain is showing. It looks like a shelf, and I'm putting in some books I made just to show you what it will be like. Looks good. I'm quite satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you didn't like it, please go watch something else. It's kind of sad that you're still watching. I mean, watching me saying that you shouldn't watch this video. But if you did like it, thank you.